So after that, we talked also about like the follower's responsibility of filling the point of connection. So with filling the point of connection under the point of connection, so we did this exercise. We said, okay, now we are like pulling like at the point of connection, meaning in the hand. So I'm like giving tension in my hand. I'm filling the point of connection by going under. So now I'm giving myself away. I'm going away, but under the point of connection, and then we went over the point of connection. So what we want is that the follower's responsibility is to fill the point of connection by filling the point of connection by under. So if we're in a closed position, we want the connection to be filled under. If we're like in a shadow position, I have my hand here. She fills the point of connection by going under the point of connection.
And not like here.
At the point of connection. So this would be under, this would be at, and this would be over. Over is usually used to do like stylings at different shapings. Then we talked about gathering information and being aware of what the other is able or not able, and to just then adjust yourself. This is the theory, what you should do. So it's like responsibility of the leader is living in the future. So it's being able to plan ahead of time what you're going to do and to redirect your follow and not move your follow. As a follow, your responsibility is
continue with your momentum, feel the point of connection, and we are supposed to live in the present. That means I'm not supposed to think and guess what the leader we're going to do. We're supposed to feel like what is doing now and not like after.
Yes. So this means it's an ideal world. Sadly, it's not always working like this. So I need to gather information while I'm dancing. If I'm here, I'm saying, okay, is the follower moving a lot? Is she not moving a lot? So that I can adjust in order to be able to actually create by my own the things that I need to have a good connection and feel good throughout the dance.
So we say, like, for example, for the leader, if you dance with the beginner, they just like learn like a few basics like a few weeks ago. Like if you feel like your followers like not move,
I will adjust so that I can still create my movement and still create my West Coast swing instead of being just here and being okay. No, you need to move because this is West Coast swing and I want you to move. Okay, so it's your responsibility to adjust so that you both have a good dance. You're not making the other one feel bad about his or her dancing. So it's just this. So you need to be adjusting and gathering this information. Then we talked about being in relationship to this, being internal or external in our cognitive like center. So it's like when I'm practicing and drilling my exercises, I'm here and I'm just saying, okay, I need to be internal. I'm thinking about what I'm doing. Okay, I'm doing this. I need to adjust. But while you're dancing, social dancing, you need to be external and being to the outside and seeing what gathering information from the outside. Okay, so we said okay, what is going on? How is she feeling? Okay, it's like just getting all these information. So we said during the intro, you need to gather a lot of information. It's is she good at double turns? Is she good does she likes to shape a lot? Is she following? Is she waiting? Is she traveling a lot? All these information you need to gather and being able then to adjust your dancing with this.
Same thing for the followers. So
same thing on the other side. Then we talked about in relationship to this, we did some match to move drills. So the idea is being simple, repetitive, and reproductible. Okay, so if I'm here, it's I'm here. It needs to be simple. I don't need to be perfectly matched. She could be the opposite way. That's fine as long as we have the same idea and having the same feeling. Yes? So we did this, the leader was initiating, the followers was initiating, and then we tried to put it in a dance. So if I'm here, 1, 2, I'm just dancing away. Ooh, ooh. And the idea is if I'm here and I'm going 1, 2, 3, and 4, yeah. I'm not external because I'm thinking about my thing. I'm yeah, I'm dancing cool, but I'm internal. So I need here to be yeah, boo. I want to share what I'm doing instead of being internal. So most of the time, the one who was following, the idea was external, but the one initiating was a lot of times internal. So you need to be careful to be both external so that you can actually share what you want to do.
And dance together.
And then we just danced with it. I think this was kind of it. Thank you very much. We hope it was useful. You had a lot of fun. Thank you very much and see you next year.